2025 Lexus NX 350 Premium boasts a striking exterior that combines elegance with athleticism. Presented by Arrowhead Lexus, the bold spindle grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights and integrated daytime running lights, exudes confidence. Its sculpted body lines create a dynamic profile, while available 20-inch alloy wheels and a choice of rich color options add a touch of luxury and personalization. The aerodynamic design not only enhances the SUV's visual appeal, but also improves fuel efficiency, making it both stylish and practical. Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus NX 350 Premium is powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that delivers 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this engine offers smooth acceleration and responsive handling. The all-wheel drive system enhances stability in various driving conditions, while its adaptive variable suspension adjusts to optimize comfort and agility. Whether cruising on highways or navigating city streets, the NX 350 offers a refined yet energetic driving experience. The back seats of the Lexus NX 350 Premium are designed with comfort in mind. Passengers enjoy spacious legroom and reclining rear seats, making long journeys more enjoyable. Premium materials such as soft-touch leather upholstery and contrast stitching add a luxurious touch, while available heated and ventilated rear seats ensure comfort in any climate. With a 60/40 split folding feature, the back seats also offer flexibility for cargo space when needed. The interior of the 2025 NX 350 Premium reflects Lexus's commitment to craftsmanship and sophistication. High-quality materials, including leather and brushed aluminum accents, elevate the cabin's aesthetic. The ergonomic design ensures that every control is within easy reach, while ambient lighting adds a touch of serenity. The front seats are power-adjustable with heating and cooling functions, making the interior a haven of comfort, whether it's a quick drive or a long road trip. Safety is a top priority in the Lexus NX 350 Premium, with the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 offering advanced driver assistance features. Standard systems include a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and all-speed dynamic radar cruise control. The available blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert further enhance awareness of your surroundings, ensuring peace of mind for every drive. With its suite of active and passive safety features, the NX 350 prioritizes the safety of both the driver and passengers. Packed with cutting-edge technology, the 2025 NX 350 Premium offers a highly connected and intuitive driving experience. The Lexus interface features a 14-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, providing seamless integration for smartphones. The Mark Levinson premium audio system delivers crisp sound quality, while an available head-up display keeps essential information within the driver's line of sight. Additionally, the built-in navigation system and voice command functionality enhance ease of use and convenience. Convenience Convenience is at the heart of the 2025 NX350 Premium's design. Keyless entry and push-button start allow for easy access and ignition, while the hands-free power liftgate makes loading and unloading cargo a breeze. Wireless charging pads keep devices powered up on the go, and ample storage solutions, including a spacious center console and cup holders, offer practical functionality. For busy lifestyles, the NX350 Premium is designed to make life easier. The 2025 Lexus NX350 Premium stands out as a luxury compact SUV that offers a perfect blend of style, performance, and technology. With its eye-catching exterior, powerful yet smooth performance, and a wealth of modern conveniences, this vehicle delivers a premium driving experience. Its spacious, tech-forward interior, combined with a robust suite of safety features, ensures that both comfort and security are top priorities. Whether commuting or embarking on weekend adventures, the NX350 Premium is a sophisticated choice for drivers who expect more from their SUV. Head to arrowheadlexus.com. Give us a call at 623-777-6552 or visit our showroom today.